No! Boy, I know that.
Am I doing something?
Huh?
Am I doing something?
You're probably making a video.
Am I supposed to?
Sure. Hello. I would wait.
How do you stop it? How do you stop it?
I have to play that.
Manuel, stop it. Stop it. I mean,
No.
stop it.
No, don't stop it. It's a video.
Good. I want that video. Mom, I love you. Dad, don't let Hazel play in my room. Hello. Oh! Just out of my hand. Look at that.
Just one? How's he gonna know? Well, he's having an awful good time with that boob.
Yeah, another book. You're that big woman book.
Oh, all right. Okay, now the video of you getting out of this. Here.
No?
Here, clip